Hey everyone, this is Stamping Songbirds. Today we're going to do a one-page layout, a summer layout using cut images from marjorieanndesigns. These are the images here. It's from a little bear summer file. It's kind of like a little family vacation kind of thing. There's a little female bear with holding copper tone or copper tan lotion. There's a little girl bear here holding a surfboard. There's a bear in a convertible. This is just the sun circle, the circle that I cut out with a punch. Then I attached half of a cloud from a different file. This is a little girl holding or with a little floaty, unicorn floaty, and then a little boy with a sandcastle, but I don't think I'm going to use him. This was supposed to be a two-page layout, and I'll tell you what happens and why I'm turning it into a one-page layout in a second. I have two photo mats. These will hold a 4x6, actually a 3 3/4 by 5 3/4 photo. The red is 4 1/4 by 6 1/4. The white is 4x6, and that's just regular cardstock by Nina. These clouds are from a different file. I think I purchased these either from the Cricut Design Store or from another file. I don't remember, but I'm using them in this layout. I'm using 2 strips of striped paper that I used on another layout. It's from a birthday, I think it's from a birthday pack that I used in a different layout. I can't remember the name of the pack either. I'm just so bad at these things. I never write them down. But this measures at, I believe, an inch. Then I have an 1.25 inches and then an 1.5 inches on this blue piece. Sorry. An 1.5 inches, an 1.25 inches is the red, and then an inch and the stripe part, just to anchor my my top and my bottom. I'm using this yellow paper that's cut at 11.5 by 11.5. Now you may recognize this paper. This is from a Disney kit that I bought, and I shared in a video about what to use if you don't have a Cricut machine. Now, I never touched that kit because my intention was to give it away or to use it making layouts, and it came with 2 of these of this design. And when I put the kit back in its plastic, somehow one of the stickers got loose and it stuck to the other sheet and it tore part of the sheet. So I said, now I can't give it away, and I won't be able to do a 2-page layout with it. So I said, you know what, let me just use it for this, and I'll just use all the other stuff with the Mickey, the Disney Mickey kit, and I'll just use this here because I was looking for a nice yellow paper, and this one has a nice background. So I'm just using it with this. So that's what happened with that. This is actually from the Disney kit that I shared. So I'm gonna do a 1-page layout, and because of that I don't have a 2-page layout because I wanted to use, you know, the same paper. I can't use the same paper, so this turned into a 1-page layout. Okay, I think that's it. So here is my one-page layout. It's very, very simple. Little bear family going or arriving at the beach for a little fun in the sun. Doesn't have a title, but I think it's self-explanatory. It's clearly a summer layout. We have the little girl with her little unicorn floaty. We have someone with suntan lotion. We have a little surfboard and someone else with surfboard and a little convertible. I didn't use the one with this sandcastle because I would have had to have created a little sand scene, but I think it came out cute. So yeah, I think it's cute. It works. It'll hold 2 photos that are 4 by 6, a little smaller than 4 by 6, 3 3/4 by 5 3/4. It works. It's cute. I hope you like it. Until next time, thanks for watching. Happy crafting. Bye bye.